Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand. Thank you for contacting me to have me do a video for you to put on my YouTube channel. My channel is growing every day. Right now, it's at 160,000 subscribers with over 40 million views. When you work with me, I also put your video all over my other social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even LinkedIn. All of my videos I upload on my YouTube channel also get placed by distributors to Roku, Amazon TV, Android, Apple TV, IPTV, smart TVs, Xbox, and Windows mobile devices. I also have TV shows in Santa Barbara, California on TVSB. Often my videos will appear here as well to a very affluent California demographic. So many of my videos go viral. I just started cooking in my kitchen, and naturally, I began incorporating products from clients into my videos. And those went viral too. Even a comedy video for an evaporative cooler for Honeywell. One of the many examples of how I create viral videos for my clients. In 2020, at the beginning of the pandemic, I made a video of how to make an N95 DIY mask with a bra. Google and YouTube decided that it was a sign of the times and awarded me with a Google trending video that got 2.5 million views in a month. With this mega viral, it made my channel even more relevant, causing all of my videos to get more views and more subscribers and to mark higher on searches. My videos cover everything involved in making a really great life, from my home and showing how to put things together, because many times products take a little bit of assembly. So I show my viewers how it gets done. I figure if I can do it, anyone can do it. And I make it look easy to inspire my viewers to buy and do these things that make their life just better. And I'm going to show you how to do microdermabrasion at home. Looking as young as I feel is also a big interest of mine on my channel. So I review a lot of beauty products and show how they work as well. I love fashion, especially fashions I can wear to the beach or around town. So clients will hire me to show off their beautiful styles. I also do a lot of workouts, and a lot of products lend themselves to me on my workouts, like these earbuds. Just by me living my life, it is natural for me to show and sell products for my clients. Success! Or showing how to bait a rat trap. Another viral, because the American household just has to do a little bit of everything to live that great life, even trapping rats. I make that look fun too. I use my house and my garden and my big yard to do lots of videos. I have such a great big yard that it's so fun to show so many products for outdoors in it. YouTube sent me a summary of my 2020 statistics. I had over 8 million views and 79,000 comments and 248,000 video shares. By working with me on my very successful channel, that means your video will be seen by more people as the YouTube algorithm sends my videos high up in searches for people looking to buy your product. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. Thanks for watching, and I hope we work together.